said that you don't like to fly commercial because you don't want to get into a tube with a bunch of demons. Do you really believe that human beings are demons?
No, I do not. And don't you ever say I did. We wrestle not with flesh and blood, but principalities and powers.
1,000 of you, I said close them doors. Ushers, close the doors. Close the doors.
Who's the biggest failure in the Bible? God is.
Do you know something? The minute that blood sacrifice was accepted, Jesus was the first human being that was ever born again.
Within 6 weeks, both of them had raised the dead in the name of Jesus. And now Rego has continued to pray for the dead, and I think Rego's now 4.
God gives to you.
Are you facing a financial difficulty right now? There's only one way out of it. Give to the Lord. Even that little you have left, give it to God.
This, because it's a bombshell. Tell your neighbor, wake up, this is a bombshell. The Greek word fornication in the Bible does not refer to premarital sex. See, when the Apostle Paul says flee fornication in 1 Corinthians chapter 6, he is not saying flee sex outside of marriage. The word translated fornication in the Bible is the Greek word porneia. It appears about 24 times in the New Testament, and the root word for the word porneia is the Greek word pornos, which means a harlot or a prostitute. Y'all following me? The context of verse 18 begins in verse 13 of 1 Corinthians chapter 6, where Paul says the body is not meant for fornication, but for the Lord, and the Lord for the body. Do you not know that your bodies are members of Christ? Should I therefore take the members of Christ and make them members of a prostitute? Do you not know that whatever is united to a prostitute becomes one body with her? Then Paul says in verse 18 to flee fornication. So the entire context of verse 18, church, is about fleeing prostitution. Not fleeing premarital sex.
Friends, that is sick. That is twisted. That is dark.
Watch what happened at Bethel's School of Supernatural Ministry that can only be described as demonic, and then watch this man's response.
So this is a fire tunnel, and you see students laying down on the floor, they've been slain in the spirit. And
this is already really bad, but it gets much, much worse.
No, you don't have to go to one of those churches to see two guys necking. Go to Bethel. Go to the Bethel School of Supernatural Ministry. You can see it there.
This is the dark, demonic side of Bethel that most people don't know about. But Bethel isn't even trying to hide the insanity that is happening within their supposed ministry.